Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a really quick video. I'm up late and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some elote. Join me and I hope you like this recipe. So I already heated up my corn. This is just like a can of corn. Wow, this is hard to do with one hand. And I heated it up with just some butter, and I tried to get it burned a little bit, but it didn't want to burn. So it's just hot. I like burnt corn, but this is good. These are my ingredients. I'm using a small bowl. I cut 1 lime. I have queso fresco. I really like this brand. It doesn't matter what brand you guys get, but I like this brand. Cholula. There are better Mexican spices out there for corn, but this is all I got, so I'm working with it. We got mayo, we got a little bit of paprika, and some Parmesan and Romano. So you're gonna put about a spoonful of mayo. You don't have to use this lot, and you don't have to use this little if that's just a small amount to you. I might add more, but we can start with that. And I actually think that's a really good amount, so we're gonna leave it like that. Now we're gonna squeeze the lime in here, and half should be good. Wow, I'm squeezing this kind of hard. And I think half should be fine, so I'm not gonna use that one. I might use that one for seconds. And you just kind of want to mix that up a little bit, not too much. You're gonna take this beautiful queso fresco that I already kind of like, yeah, broke up because it's hard to hold the phone and do this. But yeah, you're gonna want to add all that, and you can add as much or as little as you want. I love cheese, so I'm always gonna go with a little more. Then you're gonna put some Parmesan on top. This just adds flavor. You don't need a lot of the Parmesan, and this is totally optional. And you can also use Parmesan instead of queso fresco if you don't have that. I love Cholula. I literally put it on everything. That's good. And just a little bit of paprika. You don't need a lot, like, at all. Bonus spices that I didn't think about till now. We're gonna put some lemon pepper and parsley flakes to make it look nice. And that's literally it. It looks so good. Oh my god, like, and then you can mix it up and it just is so amazing. Okay, taste test time. I'm really happy I made this. It tastes really good. The lime in that is just phenomenal. Once again, thanks for being here. Love you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe.